Euro bottom of the pile, Swiss franc, all the sparkle. I want to be short here. I'm waiting for the retracement back to the 61% Fibonacci level, right at that structure. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It is Wednesday, 12 June 2024, and today I will trade long Swiss franc, New Zealand and the pound, short in the euro, the yen and CAD. So let's kick off with the dollar index stalling right at that level up there. I thought there will be other stronger levels, but seems like the market is rejecting those two levels, which is still solid. It's a double top there and it broke down, so it is valid and legit. Staying up there, but on the daily charts getting retested. Two long upper shadows showing us that the market's rejecting those highs, those highs. Not enough to show me that it will come down. Yes, inevitably, sometime or other it will come down to retest the moving averages. So at this stage, we see a break of this flag pattern, wedge, channel. We saw the break, but not convincing. It's breaking, but on long upper shadows, that shows there's not a lot of momentum left on the bulls. So for now, there's a possibility that we can see a retest of this falling trend line or then the moving averages. I would prefer a retest of the moving averages and then a nice reversal from there, because that will clear up this messy picture we've got. Because we've got this rising trend line and we're testing that for the shorts. We've got this falling trend line we're breaking through for the longs. At this stage, the candles shows that the break is not that bullish. With that, I will stay with that. Then gold obviously battling a little bit, but along lower shadows showing some support, not something I will buy. Dollar losing its speed here. It's now more neutral. It was very strong yesterday and I can see it's losing speed now here. You can see the previous bars up there from very strong and busy going neutral. So now getting more neutral, losing speed, which should put some form of bullishness onto gold. But at this stage, I don't see anything I will do on gold. Bitcoin finding a nice retracement back to this falling trend line. Almost tested the 50 and the 61% trade level here. So it's still possible that it could test the 65. That was my aim. It came down to $66,000. But a nice strong daily reversal from here would be very good, because the market would then confirm this whole area, all these levels, as structure. And from that, we can bounce off strongly. But let me not run ahead of myself. That's what I'm after. Let's hope for the best there tomorrow. At this stage, I don't see any buying opportunities on Bitcoin. In the pound Australian dollar, we got the long there, and we got a first target. I'm still gunning for that second target. No chance of trailing the stop loss to end the money. I've got the stop on the balance of the trade at break even. I banked that profits and I got my stop at entry here. So I can't lose money. I've got a guaranteed profit in the bank. So for now, I will just sit and wait. Pound Aussie getting close to each other, showing a little bit of a loss of momentum, but pound is still strong everywhere. It's just the Aussie which is countering us a little bit yet. But for now, I'm still in the correct direction. I'm still fine. I got money in the bank. I will hold on tight. And the pound CAD. Pound green zone, CAD red zone. I want to be long here. Last directional swing. Strong trend consolidation. Strong trend consolidation. Hopefully for another strong trend up the page. But I want to be long, but not from those levels. I wanted to retest the structure here, the support level here, close to the 61% Fibonacci level. So wait patiently for a retracement. In the US CAD, same as all the previous days. Dollar still much stronger than the CAD, or rather dollar is losing speed. Still, I want to be short CAD, and this is a way, taking a long year to get short CAD. But I want this to retest. And I'm watching these levels here, and I'm like, oh, I just hope it doesn't turn there. That's not a Fibonacci. I don't trade 38% levels. So I need this retracement back to the 61% level before I will even consider this. But if it bounces from there, it's not my strategy, doesn't suit me, so I will not take a trade like that. If you want to do it from there, be my guest. That's not my type of trading. But I'm looking at the 61% and waiting patiently. In the Euro Swiss. Euro bottom of the pile, Swiss franc, all the sparkle. I want to be short here. I'm waiting for the retracement back to the 61% Fibonacci level, right at that structure. Once I get a counter reversal there, I'll consider some shorts. At present, I don't want to be short from these levels. I will definitely wait for a retracement up there, and then I'll get confirmation. Then I'll take some shorts here. And the Euro New Zealand. Been waiting a long time for this one. But Euro red zone, New Zealand green zone, almost top of the pile there. But Euro really the bad one at this stage. So I'm just looking for a little bit of retracement. Look at the structure there, support. So that could become resistance at 61% FIB level. I'm looking for a counter reversal there. Then I will definitely short something here. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, guys, check out the link in the description. In the pound yen. Pound yen running up nicely, strong run up here. You see on the left-hand side, big consolidation. But now got this shoulder, head, shoulder. You can see this head and shoulders, right? It did a retest yesterday. Then, yeah, that is something I would not try because my trend was still bearish. I'm just pointing out the pattern that shows the potential reversal. But now, it's red there, but the moment it goes flat, usually goes blue after that. So I still mark this level. But if I get to this and that stays red, I'm not going to trade it. But at this stage, pound green zone, yen red zone. So I'm very keen on getting long here. I don't want to not have it on my watch list. But the moment it retraces, when it hits this level between 50 and 61%, the structure here, I'll then consider some long positions, providing that stays blue. In the US Swiss, US still weaker than the Swiss and losing speed. So I'm looking for the shorts here. It did hit the 61% levels. It's busy making a double top. And I like that double top here. On my mentoring program, we're looking at a divergent short here and now. But I like the double top. And double top is only a double top once the market closed below the intermediate low here. So I'm looking for the short there, the retracement. Once I can get that breakout there, I'll consider selling short here. But for now, I have to wait patiently for that. As long as the dollar stays well below Swiss franc, that'll be my option on this trade. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can also support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.